Yeah, this is a 5-minute fix. We just had one bag left. We thought we would do them a favor and just put it in here. They tried to patch this with concrete over the pothole, but the concrete broke up. So I patched all around it with EZ Street and even put EZ Street in between the concrete to try just to hold that concrete together so it didn't just pop out. And that's a year old. I had a homeowner fix her driveway and she wheel rolled it with her BMW, and she was smart enough to lay the white EZ Street bags, the plastic bags. She put them over the patch so that the asphalt wouldn't stick to the wheels on her BMW. Anyway, there you go. Another successful job. Thanks, EZ Street.